Hello students, welcome in our integration chapter 7 chapter in the part 3 students. Before starting this video students, I just request to you just see the formula list one time 1 to 18 formula and try to without seeing one time, two time. Yes students. Now I start our example 5. Sin mx dx. So coefficient of x and given here respect to dx means students here I am going to our formula number 18 wise. Yes, it's very easy. What is the coefficient here? Only and only m. So my answer is 1 by m. In sin integration minus cos plus c. I utilize this one. Integration of f of x plus dx is 1 by a. Here f for any function plus c. And that's the answer. Now here students, it's time coming to now new topic here is the assumption method. Yes students, today first time I explain you assumption method. Whenever you given composite function, check that. Composite functions, you suggest in the place of composite suggestion t. So here I starting, suppose this composition function is equal to t and take derivative with respect to x. So differentiation with respect to x. So this derivative is 2x, 0 and dt by dx. Check students, 2x dx. This 2x, this dx. So my value is 2x dx is what? dt. And now I start my integration. Sine of x square plus 1. Can I write 2x with the dx? 2x with the dx. This value already you know that this also assumption t means my value is a sine t dt. Now all 1 to 17 and 18 formula dx translate in dt. So this method is very important method students, assumption method. Don't worry, today I am going very slowly explanations. It is new pattern. Now students, sine integration is a minus cos t and d to t. What's your t? X square plus 1 plus c, and that's my answer created to related these functions. Yes, it's very easy. Now here, tan raised to 4 root x, x square root x by root x. These are IMP questions. Yes, try to probability higher functions power t wise suggestions. This is the second problem. What is the higher power? 10 raised to 4 root x. So I just suppose assumption tan of root x is equal to t. Definitely you can get all values are in dt. Derivative with respect to x. So tan derivative is what? X square root x. Root x derivative 1 by root x. And here dt by dx. So let's check. This full value is done. So x square x root x dx upon root x is this. Only 2 is extra. So can we write down x square root x into dx by root x is 2 dt. This one. 2 check cross multiply. Dx take this cross multiply. And this function is that. So my question is there. Integration tan the whole power root x square root x dx by root x. One more time repeat students, just you check this one. Is that actually 2 dt? So one more time repeat. As a place of composite functions, use suggestion t. Either power device if you given then by is power assume related to derivative. Get the answer. So here students, it is a t raised to 4 because tan root x is assumed t and that part is 2 dt. finished. 2 outside, and here t raised to 5 are 5 plus c, and here happily this question is also done. T put in. So my answer is, students, 2 by 5. What's the t? Yes, 10 raised to 5 root x plus c, and that's the answer. Finally, 2 by 5, 10 raised to 5 root x, because t is a 10 root x. Now students, question number 13 of fourth one. Here also check, it is a composite functions. That one. So in place of composite, I assume that. So suppose 10 raised to root x is t. And make derivative differentiation with respect to x. So 1 by 1 plus x square. Here dt by dx. Finally you can get dx by 1 plus x square is what? Dt. And check, this value is also present here in this question. This. So I just make the separations. So integration I, here sign with the tan inverse x with dx below 1 plus x square. So does this value already known that dt. So my answer is sin t dt. That is minus cos t, and value of t already you assume. Submit that. So my answer minus cos. What is the t? Tan inverse x, and plus c is as it is. If you taking this derivative, sure you get this. I find out empty derivative. So first priority what? As a place of composite functions. Composite functions, you make the suggestions. And if you power utilize given functions, so try to first big power as a suggestions. You can create easily translation of dx in the dt, and at the end of putting your t value, get the answer. Yes students, here our example number 5, happily done. Now continue students, question number 6 example. These are all three numericals are the most ideal. Sin cube x, cos square x. Students, here what is power the highest? 3. But odd even given. If you both even, then you try to suggestion for the highest power. But if you odd even, then try to suggestion for related even power. So students, here even power base I assumption here cos x, and that make the separation in the two ways. One of the sin square x and one of the sin. Because students, this sin x and dx, I make the separations. Sin square x, cos square x, sin x, dx. This is the derivative actually for cos x function. And these I separate in the cos. 1 by cos square, and sin x dx is same. Again I repeat, sin x dx is the derivative of which function? Yes, cos x. That's why I suggestion cos x is equal to t. One more time repeat, even power related you make the suggestions. If you are even given then, yes. If you both are given then, make the highest suggestions. Both even given then, also highest. But if you are even given, either even odd, you make the suggestion related your our even functions. Now derivative minus sin x dx. So what is the sin x dx? Minus dt. These are minus dt. Put it here, and that will be known 1 minus t square into t square and minus dt. Very easy. Multiply it. So minus t square plus t is to 4. Multiply inside t square. And integration is t is to 3 by 3. T is to 5 by 5. And easily putting your t value. Done students. So t value is a cos x. So my data is a cos cube x by 3. Here 5 plus c. And that's your answer, students. Here our cos cube by 3 and cos s to 5x by 5. But I again repeat, even power AD and odd power AD both given, then your suggestion for our even and odd convert into even terms. Yes, students. Now next one is also IMP numericals for exam related. Students, here x plus a, I create in numerators also x plus a. Here x plus a and minus a, and here sin x plus a as it is. Students, I think you know that we written total 18 formula. Yes, today also we write down 2 more, 19 and 20 number in this, including in this numericals. So this formula I know, sin x plus y, sin x plus a cos a minus cos x plus a sin a, and upon as it is sin x plus a. Now students, here you can just separate first part and the second part, both individually division. So first division we can get cos a, but second division we can get cot x plus a into sin. Surely that one answer is coming. Cos a outside 1 dx, sin a outside cot x plus a. And here students, your new formula is coming, integration of cot function, integration of tan function. Already we written 18 formula, 19 and 20 here we write down. So cos a, one integration is tan x, and sin. Students, cot integration is a log modulus of sin. I explain you why it is sin. But first of all, I complete this numerical according to rule wise. Now formula number, students, 19 write down. Integration of tan x dx. It is a log modulus sec x plus c. And 20 formula, integration of cot x dx, which is I utilize here, log modulus sin x. Why this? I explain you, don't worry students. This derivative is this. Just check d dx of log of sec x is definitely it's come to tan x, because 1 by sec x and sec x derivative is a sec x into tan x. This cancel. It means tan x. That's why tan x integration is, students, log of modulus of sec x plus c. Now I create to 20. Formula number 20 is also same, d dx of log of modulus sin x is also, I just derive cot x, because here 1 by sin and sin derivative cos x. It is cot x. It means, students, integration of cot x dx surely log of modulus sin x. And that's your derivative and antiderivative to done happily 19 and 20. Students, this formula I operate here. Cot integration is what? Log of sin x plus a. That's right. So these are two formulas you added in your formula list. Now I start question number 3rd, which is very most IMP numerical, students. So one by one I start that our 3rd one. 3rd is also IMP for exam level. Now you write the formula up to 19 and 20 is also in formulas. So 3rd one, which is very most IMP. 1 below 1 plus tan x dx. Many time asking in exam. Tan separate in sin cos. So here students, sin below cos. take LCM. You can get cos x dx upon cos x plus sin x. Now these steps, coming steps, is very most IMP steps. Yes, after that only and only you can do to multiply and to divide it. There is no option other than. Always take to balancing here in this type question. To multiply and to divide it, students. Why to multiply and why to divide it? I explain you by this rule. I want anyhow denominator is removed. So can we write down cos plus sin? And here also cos plus sin, check. This and that cancel, but I want 2 cos x. So here write down cos minus x. Check. Sin and sin work. What we here have to see cos plus cos. It is 2 cos x. Now you try this divided and this divided. Both separations. That's why I written here 2 multiplied 2 divided. So students, my first data, this upon this is 1. And here cos x minus sin x upon as it is. And here students, you can try to both separations one by one. One of the half 1 dx and another is also half as it is. So cos plus sin. This integration is known. One integration is what? X. But here I go to now different solutions. So integration I is equal to half x plus half. That is the remaining. 2 cos x minus sin x cos x plus sin x plus c1, because one integration is done. Now students, I explain about that. Suppose cos plus sin is equal to assumption. Definitely you can get upper level derivative with respect to x here. Differentiation with respect to x. So students, minus sin x, sin derivative cos x, and here dt by dx. So what is the final? Yes, final is cos minus sin x. It will be dt. This value I just operate here and numerical done. So integration I x by 2, it is dt by t and the c1. And here students, I ending my whole numericals in the level of our final in 2 separation parts, one by one integrated. So I x by 2 half, and dt by t is a log of modulus t. And here students, c1 plus c2, another integration done for dt by x, and that's what it is c. So my answer x by 2 plus half log. Students, putting the value of t, it is cos x plus sin x plus c. And here numerical is done, but where write down c is an arbitrary constant, c1 plus c2, which is arbitrary constant. And these are IMP numericals. Students, here third one is done. But now I go to that level extra. You will try at home. It is homework. Yes, this also board questions. Integration 1 by, I just only write 1 minus x dx. Check what is changing here. This is a minus. Minus. Here minus. Here minus. So here minus and here plus. Only sign change. Between sign change. Method same. But these also board questions. One more. 1 plus cot x. And one more. 1 plus minus cot x. Students, these 3 numericals and one of the given 4, all are most IMP. Maybe asking in MCQ J level, either mistake level, either board level. And here students, for this example, have Now students, after examples, I am going to exercise 7.2. First one. 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Students, here also anyhow I remove the denominator. So just I am thinking, which derivative is the 2x dx? Definitely x square. So here students, assume your denominator part is t. This denominator value related to assumption t. Take derivative over sum. So differentiation with respect to x. So 0 here, 2x, and that is dt by dx. So check, 2x dx is what? dt. And this 2x dx is already known in the question. So students, your data 2x dx upon, that is your dt, and 1 plus x square is what? T. So my answer is log of t base plus c, and putting t value. What's your t? Yes, t is your 1 plus x square base e plus c. And here students, very easily and happily, first question is also done. Now second, log x whole square by x, composite function log x, and this derivative known for which function? Which is log x. So suppose I here assumption log x is t, and differentiation with respect to x. So 1 upon x dt by dx. So what is the 1 upon x dx students? dt. And this value actually already known in the question wise. So my answer is the integration log x the whole square into 1 upon x dx. This I take. Already know that value wise it is t square and then dt. Very easy. My answer is t cube by 3. And putting successfully your value of t. So log x base e the cube upon 3 and plus c, and happily this question is also students here simplest forming done. Now next is the most IMP questions already asking in exam. Just keep on taking x here students, so you can get one of the basic data log x dx. Can you write these are combined? So you have to 1 upon x dx and 1 plus log x base e. Base e is necessary, then derivative and integration exists. Now think about which derivative is 1 upon x? Log x. So here I assumption. Yes, suppose 1 plus log x base is t, differentiation with respect to x. So here 0, that is 1 upon x dx dt. Just you may cross multiply after the dt by dx, and this function is here. So my answer is 1 upon x dx below 1 plus log x base e. Students, it is dt. This one 1 upon x dx is dt, and 1 plus log x is what? t. And that will be done. Final value, it is log of modulus t plus c. And here students, t, you already assumption 1 upon log x is t assumption, and this is log t, but t value is what? 1 plus log x. So final answer is log of base is c, and it will be 1 plus log x base e plus c, and that's your integration answer very happily and easily students here done. But this is a IMP question, sir, because this arrangement is necessary. You can apply that, then you can get your answer. Now fourth also IMP. This is also board question. What is the composite function you have given? Yes, internal composite cos x suggestion t. So suppose students cos x is equal to t. take our derivative. Respect to dx, it is the x versus differentiation with respect to x. So your value is a minus sin x dx. So what is the sin x dx? Minus dt. And that value, students, already known here. This sin x and this dx. I just need combine. So my question is that sin with the cos, first I write down, and sin x dx, that is your dt minus. Yes. So my answer is here sin cos x value is t, and that is a minus dt. Now over value using sin t integration minus cos t, and this minus, it means your answer is only cos t. And t putting, what's your t? T is your cos x. Yes, students, your data is happy. If you cross theory apply, this derivative is a sine of cos x and cos is a minus sin x. After that you cover and you get the students very easily and happily. Here students, our answer. Now students, after ending your 4 questions, I go to 5th one. Sin x plus b, cos ax plus b. Here check, both of the our composition functions are same. So I suggestion ax plus b is equal to t. So suppose ax plus b is a t. Derivative differentiation with respect to x, here a, 1, 0 and dt by dx. So what is the dx? dt by a. That value you can just apply here. So your answer is sin t cos t dt by a. I just write down 2 multiply to divide. So here 1 by 2 multiply and here 2 dividing 2 sin t cos t dt, and that is the value of sin t. And here students, your answer is done. What is the integration of sin to t? Minus cos to t into coefficient, formula writing 1 by 2 plus c. So your total value minus 1 by 4a cos 2, and what is the t? T is ax plus b. And here students, you have happily answered done. Minus 1 by 4a cos 2ax plus 2b plus c. And that is your final answers for related here this question number 5. Yes students, here our this part I stop here, and further explanations I explain in the next part. But I request to you, formula write now 1 to 20 at least 5 times. Yes students, bye bye.